guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and my parents are back from Dubai and I am starting a new vlog. I have decided that I'll vlog as much as I can for all the days that I'm staying home because यहाँ पे content भी होता है. You know what I mean if you are a content creator. यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत content भी मिल जाता है and I have spare time that I can shoot. So I'm starting a new vlog and that is it. And my mom is here. She has bought chai for me. So yes. Now we are going to see all the gifts that my parents have brought from Dubai for friends and relatives and for everyone in general. So let's see what they have bought.
हे मम्मीसाठी आणलेलं आहे. ओपन दिस.
मम्मीसाठी म्हणजे त्यांच्या मम्मीसाठी माझ्या आजीसाठी. These are gold earrings for my दादी. मस्त आहे.
दिस इज हे आमच्या स्वीट लक्ष साठी द स्टॅच्यू ऑफ बुर्ज खलिफा.
हे माझा कझिन. दिस इज फॉर माय कझिन. मराठी इंग्लिश सगळं एकत्र होत आहे. लेट हर ओपन दॅट.
हे सगळ्या फॅमिली मेंबर साठी.
पण मीच घेणार आहे. परफ्यूम आहे जो यूज करेल तो.
अबुधाबीचे खास डेट्स मार्केट मधून आणलेले डेट्स. हे फ्रेंड्स आणि रिलेटिव्ह अँड व्हिजिटर्स साठी.
आणि हा स्टॅच्यू
हे आमच्या फॅमिली किड्स साठी. लक्ष, इशू, चेतू, ओम यांच्यासाठी.
ओके.
हा एक्स्ट्रा बेल्ट
मम्मीसाठी. मम्मीच्या आय वॉच साठी.
तुझ्यासाठी काही आणू शकलो नाही, माफ कर.
मी आय वॉच सांगितलेली होती ती
पण
कुठं.
ती मिळाली नाही. क्लोज युअर आईज अँड दिस इज 9 सिरीज वॉच फॉर यू.
थँक्यू. सगळ्यात भारी गिफ्ट माझंच आहे. आता अनबॉक्सिंग पण करू. उघडा आहे. I'm all ready. I took shower. I helped my दादी as usual in preparing lunch. उसके बाद मैंने मेरी new iWatch setup की and then I went to take shower. Now I'm all ready. But the plan is, I don't know what we call it in English or Hindi, but karanji, that is what we call in Marathi, and my dadi is making that because I like it and I want to help her because why not? Like मैं घर पे हूँ and that is all this vlogs are about my family, the way I love to cook and my daddy loves to cook and we love to eat food and the way we chill, everything is that only. So it is very homely vlog. Let's see. My daddy has already started doing it because I was getting late. I took shower and then she was getting late, so she decided to do it and now let's go and see and help her. And then I started helping my dadi and look at how fast she is. I was quite slow, but मुझे help करने में तो काफी मजा आई because we had a lot of gossips and lot of talks
मैं उन्हें हमारी कॉलेज कैंपस की बातें बता रही थी एंड शी वाज टेलिंग मी ऑल दैट वाज हैपनिंग अराउंड एट होम जब मैं घर पे नहीं थी। और उसके बाद लक्ष्य यानी मेरी कजिन का वीडियो कॉल आ गया, तो वी हैड ए गुड वीडियो कॉल सेशन विथ हिम टू।
I had my lunch and then cleaned the kitchen slab and slept for a while. Now I just woke up and got freshened up because I'm going to the shop. But before that, I thought of getting my daily routine done, that is having my favorite mango shake. I'll have it and then go to the shop for a while. So maybe I'll shoot there, maybe I'll not shoot there. Let's see. So today is Holi, not Dhulivandan. There are two different festivals. The first day is Holi and the second day is the day when we play with colors. So today we'll be going for Holika Dahan, and this is the bhog or Naivedya that will be showing there. This is kind of bread. This is, I don't know what to call it in Hindi, but in Marathi we call it kheer, kandle and funke. This is diya, and then kumkum and haldi and everything. So we'll take this, and जहाँ पे वो होली को जलाएंगे वहाँ पे ये नैवेद्य दिखाएंगे, फिर हम लोग खाना खाएंगे. दैट इज वॉट वी डू एंड विल बी गोइंग देयर टुडे. So there is a program of my cousin Laksh that is called Shendita Karyakram. I don't know what is it called. There is no name for it in English, to be very honest. And now we need to make a patrika, that is an invitation card. So we took out all the old cards that we have, because like what we do is put everyone's name, like those who are elders, their names, and then the people who are close to us, सारों का नाम ये invitation में लिखता है. So we need to figure out कि whose name should be there in the new invitation that we are making for this function. So here is my dadi. This is our temple, and we took out all the old invitations, and this is uncle auntie's marriage invitation, I guess. This is also the same thing. This is my mom dad's invitation, like marriage invitation. Oh my god, this is so old. Let's see and figure it out. Good morning, guys. I woke up quite late today, and then I had my breakfast and just went and took shower. That is all I did. I did not do anything today, but from today I'm planning to start shooting all the content related to internship, like how we guys apply for it, what is the process, where did I get selected, and how much is the stipend, and what is the project that I'm working on, and how is the onboarding process, all of it. But I'm not sure how much of it can be disclosed. So what I'm going to do is start shooting the content, and once I get confirmation from someone like this is the information that can be disclosed and this is the information that you can't disclose, I'll edit the information and then put it live. So that is the plan. Now I'll go and have lunch, and then let's see if I get time to shoot it today, because I also need to see what all things I'm going to say and what not. So it will be a task, but I'm planning to do it. So stay tuned. This is my favorite and comfort food जे मला फक्त घरी मिळतं. It is very authentic Maharashtrian food. वरण, बट्टी, जिरा राईस आणि वड्यांची भाजी. Now I'm going to have it and let me enjoy my lunch. I'm having it like this, dal batti after so long. Yeah, I'm happy. I'll eat till my stomach says no, you can't eat more. I'm all ready and now we are going to my father's friend's daughter or son's haldi program and I'll be having my dinner there. So let's go. My mom is all ready. We both are going together. My dad has already gone there because it's his friend's son's or daughter's wedding and we are already late because we came home from the shop and then got ready. So it took us lot of time and now we are in a real rush because my dad will get angry if we go there late. So let's go, let's move. I'll shoot there a bit and add the clips if possible. Hello guys and good morning. It's a new day. I woke up, I helped my dadi and mom in some household chores and then I edited a video that I need to post today and it's almost done. Some last refinements and some last edits are need to be done and then it is all ready to be posted. Now that I have took shower and I'm all ready, the plan is I need to go and see a doctor because I have some infection and I have been waiting to come back home so I can show my family doctor. Now I'll go and visit him. I don't know if he's available at this time or not, but let's see. Let's check with my dad and go. And that is it. And it's happy Holi. People must be playing colors. I'm not. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just too grown up to play colors. But also there are no friends here. Like everyone is out of town. Neha is not playing. So I'm not playing Holi. But yes, happy Holi. I hope you guys enjoy your Holi. It is 28th March. कल मैंने कुछ भी नहीं shoot किया because I was a little low. I was not in the mood to shoot anything. But today I am in a good mood. So I took up my phone and now I'm vlogging. As you saw in the last clip, I made sabudane ki khichdi for my dad and mom because it's their fast today. So yeah, that's done. And then I took shower. Now I'm all ready. So the plan for today is एक दो छोटी मोटी चीज़ें हैं जो I need to go and get it done from the market. I'll go and do that. But today I'm also planning to shoot bits and pieces of 2 videos that I'm planning to post on my YouTube channel. But they are not coming soon because there are certain things that I need to clear up before posting that. One of them is regarding my internship. I'll be shooting about it today, like the intro part and what all process has been done yet. that everything will be covered today, and the second video is surprise for you guys as well as for someone who is very special to me. So I'm not revealing that now, but yes, these are the two videos that I'm planning to shoot. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, that is it. First I'll have my lunch and then plan other things, like what is the schedule and what I'm going to do throughout the day. So that is it. So there's a slight change in the plan. I just had lunch and mummy ka call आया that if I could come to the shop and help her because there's a lot of rush. 29th and 30 there are a lot of marriages happening, I guess, and that makes the shop really rushy. So I'll go and help her, and then I want to go to a tailor and put my clothes सिलाई के लिए. मैंने थोड़े ड्रेस मटेरियल लिए थे that I need to put. That is the plan. I came back home after helping my mom, and we also went to put the dress material for silai, and now I'm just resting for a bit because मैं थक गई हूँ, and I'm planning that I won't go out, I won't shoot today because I'm really tired, and you need to be in good mood to shoot that kind of videos. So I've decided to skip that. Now I'll rest for a bit. मुझे मेरे कपड़े sort out करने हैं because I need to sort them into 3 categories. The one that I'm going to take to Goa, the others that I'll need in Mumbai immediately, and the third that I'll be taking from my home on 22nd or 23rd of April. So there will be 3 bags, not 3 bags, more bags, but 3 luggages. One for Goa, one that I'll be carrying to Mumbai immediately, and one that I'll be taking from my home on 22nd or 23rd. So that needs to be done. Maybe I'll do that, and I'll make chapatis. I'll help my dadi. So that is the plan for today. Yes, that's it then.
After that, I started packing everything and सारी bags pack करनी थी, and so the room was all chaos. सारे कपड़े नीचे फैले हुए थे. After that, I did draw मेहंदी on my mom's and daddy's hand क्योंकि अगले दिन हमें शादी में जाना था. That is it for this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.